They already left. Brittany told them. Brittany told you. I'm not involved. I'm not involved. Oh, that just getting stuck in there. Oh, I fell. You're crazy.
That's not cool.
She believed me. Y'all should have saw her. I was like, y'all already told Brittany she's gone. They're all gone.
Hey!
Camera person's not involved.
Oh my gosh.
I know, I was like, where are they getting these from?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.